Before buying a vacuum sealer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer. First up is the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. At $79.99, it caught my attention because it's portable and designed for quick sealing. If you want a hassle-free way to keep your food fresh, this is worth a serious look. This handheld device seals your food in less than 5 seconds, making it incredibly efficient. Its rechargeable battery can seal up to 1,000 bags on a single charge. That means less time fussing with bulky machines and more time enjoying your meals. Plus, the included reusable vacuum bags are BPA-free and safe for the microwave and dishwasher, which is huge for convenience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It saves you money by reducing waste, and you can vacuum seal anything from fruits and veggies to cooked meals. With over 5,000 units sold in the past month, people are clearly loving it. Now, some people complained about its lightweight design, saying it feels cheap. Here's the thing though, this makes it portable and easy to handle. So if you're looking for something compact, I'd say it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight option that you can take anywhere. Skip this one if you prefer a more heavy-duty machine for frequent use. For the price, it offers great value for someone who needs a simple solution. Now, if the portability of the Chef Preserve bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, LSA Apparel Vacuum Sealer Machine. Next up is the LSA Apparel 75 kPa Vacuum Sealer Machine. Priced at just $27.99, this compact vacuum sealer really caught my eye because of its powerful suction. If you need something that seals tightly and saves time, this one may be right for you. With a suction power of 110 watts and a strong 75 kPa, this vacuum sealer can seal your food in about 10 to 20 seconds while keeping it fresh up to 8 times longer than traditional methods. It's straightforward to use, with a digital LED display that shows a countdown timer so you know exactly when your food is sealed. Perfect for those who want a user-friendly experience. It's compact too, so it won't take up much counter space. With over 3,000 sold this month, it seems like a lot of people are finding it useful. Honestly, some people mentioned the lack of more advanced features compared to pricier models, but if you're just looking for a solid no-frills vacuum sealer, this shouldn't be an issue. This is ideal if you're on a budget and want something that just works without the bells and whistles. Skip it if you're looking for advanced features like external vacuum systems or preset modes. Overall, it's a steal for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more versatility.
Product number 3,
MegaWise Vacuum Sealer Machine. What stood out to me here is its built-in cutter and external vacuum system. If you want something that can handle various tasks, this is worth checking out. It features an 80 kPa suction power, which is efficient for sealing food quickly. The one-touch operation allows you to switch between dry and moist modes depending on the food type, and it even includes 10 BPA-free vacuum bags. This means you can prep meals ahead of time and save money by reducing food waste. The built-in cutter is a game changer for creating custom-sized bags, which is handy for different food items. With over 2,000 units sold recently, people seem to appreciate its functionality. Now, some users found the suction power less impressive compared to higher-end models, but for everyday use, this machine does the job well, especially if you're looking for versatility on a budget. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional vacuum sealer that's still easy on the wallet. Skip it if you need something with top-tier performance and are willing to spend more. For the price, it's a smart choice. If you're looking for more power, then the next product on our list really steps it up.
Product number 4, Beelicious Pro Vacuum Sealer. Next is the Beelicious Pro Vacuum Sealer, priced at $99.99. This one caught my attention for its dual pump system and smart app integration. If you're serious about food preservation, this might be the one for you. With a powerful 95 kilopascal suction, it can seal your food in just 8 to 18 seconds, making it one of the fastest options out there. The double sealing system enhances reliability, reducing failure rates by up to 80%. That means your food stays fresh longer, which can really cut down on waste. Plus, the built-in app lets you track sealing dates and receive expiration reminders, which is an amazing feature for keeping tabs on your food. It's currently selling well, with about 2,000 units moving recently. Honestly, some users mentioned it's a bit bulky and takes up more counter space than they'd prefer. But if you're serious about meal prepping or bulk storage, I think the benefits far outweigh this concern. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality, feature-rich machine that can handle serious food storage tasks. Skip it if you're looking for something compact and easy to store. For its features, the price is justifiable. Now, if you want a more budget-friendly option with similar features, the last product might be just what you need.
Product number 5, Potane Vacuum Sealer. Finally, we have the Potane Precision Vacuum Sealer, also priced at $79.99. This one stood out to me because of its smart control system and multiple settings. If you need something versatile for different types of food, this is definitely worth a look. The Potane Vacuum Sealer offers 8-in-1 easy presets, allowing you to choose from various modes for dry, moist, soft, and delicate foods. Its sloping top design prevents juices from being drawn out when sealing, which is perfect for meats. With an ETL certification for safety, it's built to last and comes with a 5-year warranty. This product has over 1,000 units sold in the past month, showing that many are finding it a reliable choice. Some users reported that it's slightly slower than expected, taking a bit longer to seal than other models. But here's the thing, the flexibility and features it offers make it worth the wait for many home cooks. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile sealer that can adapt to different foods. Skip this one if you prefer a simple, fast sealing machine without all the extra features. For its price and warranty, it's a solid investment.
So, to recap, the Chef Preserve is great for portability. The LSA Apparel offers budget-friendly simplicity. The MegaWise brings versatility with its built-in cutter. The Belicious Pro is ideal for serious preservation. And the Potane is your go-to for various food types. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best.